that has gotten me a small business plan already. I've gotten a referral as well. I was able to get a NOS sign, and the notice of sale that I was able to get signed, that was actually from an HR director that I have continually been following up through probably for the past 4 months. But once she received the goodie basket, I'm sure in addition to the emails that I've sent her previously, fortune is in the follow-up, but I believe it was receiving that little surprise in the mail that ultimately pushed her to stop putting it on the back burner and get that notice of sale taken care of. So, I think for the most part, it's really just finding ways to follow up, to stay top of mind. And this is the perfect season to be able to do so, because, you can kind of tie in your message with that little holiday email, or if you send them a little holiday card. So it may take for us going a little bit, I don't want to even say out of our way, but it may take us to get a little bit creative during this season. But, I think they definitely appreciate it, and it shows up in them moving forward with whatever decision they decide to make moving forward.